Hello, this is Chef Axel. Today I'm going to be making fresh homemade Pico De Gallo for two. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes, a quarter of a large onion, half of avocado, half of green pepper, fresh cilantro, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and 2 slices of jalapeno. Cut the ingredients into small squares. Salt to taste. Then add about half tablespoon organic lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix it well. And toward the end, add 2 jalapeno or mild, and of course, if you like it extra spicy, you can add more. Leave it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. Enjoy, bon appetit.